Okay guys, so in last video I've installed Laravel and all required libraries for our basic chat application. Now in this video I'm going to install the required libraries or frameworks for our VueJs project, and here I'm going to start with installing Vuetify. So to install this in installation page of Vuetify, I'm going to copy this line npm install Vuetify, and here we need to go to modules and we need to also create another modules here. So I'm going to create this PHP artisan module make. I'm going to call this web, and we're going to use this module for our VueJs project. So let's wait. We also need to install npm package, so let's run npm install. Alright, new module is created, and here we can simply move to cd modules and cd web, and eventually we can run npm install Vuetify to simply install Vuetify in web module. Alright, so installation process is simply started for both root and web module, so let's wait. Alright, so installation is completed for Vuetify. Let's complete the installation by importing our project. So let's create a new directory in our JS folder, and let's call this plugins, and here I'm going to create a new, let's actually create a new directory and call this Vuetify, and here I'm going to create a new JS file and I will call this index. So we need to import, let's check these items, so let's copy them and let's paste. We're going to keep import view Vuetify, and we also need to install font package. So everything looks great for now here. Let's import them. I actually forgot to move these items from here to here, so let's move them. Alright, great. Now here let's import, let's call this plugins section, import Vuetify from plugins and Vuetify. Great. We also don't need this, so let's import this example component. Let's start with renaming it, or just moving this here. Oh, it's not actually letting us to move it since it's indexing, so let's create a new one. Up. Great. Now let's import it. Import up from, it's actually here. Now we need to also move this and render our component. So that's pretty all we need for installing Vuetify. So let's me check, and here everything looks good. Let's also apply dark theme for our application, dark true. Now to install fonts, I need this one. We also need to copy this one from here. And I also going to install material design icons. These are optionals, you don't need to actually install them, it's just something that I actually use in most of my projects. Great, let me close this. You also need to install or run npm install for web modules. So let's go to web module and run npm install also here. Let's just copy this one and move this here. Now in views, let's add a new division, div id and app, and then in master blade we need to uncomment these lines for web css and webjs. That's pretty everything we need for this one, so let's wait. Web font is also installed. So installation and npm package for web module is also done, and we can simply run npm run watch to test our web module simply for VueJs project. It's called CLS, and here npm run watch. Let's wait. If we try to go to web, we should get an error since mix manifest does not exist, and this should be simply created by npm run watch. There is an error, this get option is not function, so we can simply fix this problem by installing, or in this case downgrading, Sass loader, since it's not compatible with this Vue version. This should be a problem. Modules web. Great, let's wait. Let's close this and terminate. Run npm run watch again. Great, this time there is no error. Let's reload. I'm an example component. Great, it's working. Now let's try to test if Vuetify is installed. App, and here let's actually grab something from here in alerts. Let's go down in code. Let's just copy this for now. Let's paste, save. Let's check our component again. Great, everything is working, and that's it for this video.